We get some new screen protectors of the Samsung Galaxy S10, and those show the cutouts for the dual cameras that were leaked. Other leaks have the expected McLaren Edition of the OnePlus 6T showing up, and if you're having boot loop issues with the LG G7, it seems the company's already working on a fix. I'm Jaime Rivera, and it's sad to leave Hawaii without a tan and with huge allergies, but it is what it is. This is Pocketnow Daily, sponsored by OnePlus. The official news today begin with Nokia, actually HMD should we call it. The company is celebrating 2 years in the market, and even though I was one of the people that was doubtful over the future of what they were going to do, my God, they just provided numbers: 70 million units sold in 2 years, and they want to continue betting on the 300 to 400 euro price range, focusing more on teenagers and just creating brand loyalty there. They've got great phones. I mean, I've already got that Nokia 7.1 I promise you a review very soon. It is a fantastic device. Now, for those of you that want to use eSIMs, on iPhones in the United States, meaning that dual SIM capability, Verizon is the first carrier that's providing support. As of today, apparently, you will be able to activate the service in addition to, I'm not exactly sure if Verizon is just activating the eSIM or if they're allowing dual SIM capabilities. That's going to be an interesting one. But yeah, Verizon is the first one on whichever iPhone supports it, which would be the XR, XS, and XS Max. Now, let's talk about the LG G7. It's funny, every time I make a review of any LG phone and I get comments about boot loops and boot loops. I've never had issues. I've never met anyone that has issues, but it seems that it is a thing now on the G7 again, because it's been a problem since the G4. So the G7 is having boot loop issues, particularly for people in T-Mobile in Europe. So apparently a fix is coming. And it's funny when LG is like, you can call on us to report the problem, like if your phone is working, for you to be able to do that. Now let's talk about the OnePlus 6T McLaren Edition. We've been following the leaks. Today we get probably the clearest ones, where we see the device with a very interesting color in the back, full limited edition, rumors of a faster way to charge, rumors of more RAM. We'll see exactly what we get very soon. And finally, the most interesting news today have to do with the Samsung Galaxy S10. We saw the leaks of that interesting cutout for the cameras. Now we've got screen protectors, and you know the way these suppliers work. Once they've got something they can bet on, they start creating products for it. And so it seems that the separation of the cameras is bigger than what we saw in the leaks. So we're not exactly sure for what variant it is or what functionality Samsung is thinking of providing with these dual cameras, but I'm really loving that wide angle on the Pixel 3 XL, honestly, if it's the only reason why that notch serves a purpose for me. So stay tuned as we figure out more, and let us know in the comments down below, what do you think? Do you like this design or not? Because I honestly like it a lot. Leave us a comment down below, we'd love to know your opinion. And folks, before we end this video, we would love to thank our sponsor, OnePlus, for making this content possible today. We're really loving the OnePlus 6T, especially now that there's a third color option, Thunder Purple, which is so beautiful and unique. The OnePlus 6T gives you flagship specifications without a flagship price, and now it's also available on T-Mobile in the United States. Check out the link in the description below to learn more. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you next week.